Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is how to prepare soil for container gardening. Popularity grew as people became more aware of the benefits of container gardening and its effects on the environment. In the beginning, it was a way for apartments, but now it's a way to be self-reliant. Planting a container garden has always been a trendy alternative for many gardeners. Buying new bags of potting mix every season can get a bit pricey. Below you'll learn about the different types of soil for container gardening and how to prepare them. How to prepare the soil for container gardening. You'll need a hand fork. You will need it to clear out and debris there maybe and then mix everything up. After all, large container. You'll use this to store your soil in. Garden gloves. Protection is always important. A particular mask, protective eyewear, a trap. This is optional and can be replaced with a large box. Things to consider before making the potting mix. There are two things that you'll need to consider before mixing the soil and planting your plants. Decide what you'll grow. Different plants require different nutrients. Encourage water retention and aeration. The mix of growing veggies will be very different from those for flowers or cacti. Decide what you'll grow before preparing your potting mix. Figure out the pH level. After deciding on the plants you'll grow, research the soil pH level they prefer to thrive. For reference, the neutral pH is between 6.62 and 7.3. Under 6.6 pH, the soil will be acidic, and over 7.3 pH, it will be alkaline. Dry container gardening soil recipes. Remember, each type of the plant will require different mix. Below are some of the most popular DIY container gardening recipes and DIY container fertilizer blend to your plant thrives. The fertilizer blend. For this fertilizer blend, mix thoroughly. Now, 2 cups of rocks phosphate, 2 cups of green sand, 1/4 cup of kelp meal, 1/2 cup of bone meal. You'll be using this blend in the recipe below. Potting mix for flowers and veggies. 6 gallons of sphagnum peat moss, 4.5 gallons of perlite, 6 gallons of compost, 1/4 cup of lime, 1.5 cups of the fertilizer blend can be replaced with 1.5 cup of any granular organic fertilizer. Potting mix for potted trees and shrubs. 3 gallons of compost, 2 gallons of coarse sand, 3 gallons of sphagnum peat moss, 2.5 gallon of compost pine bark, 3 gallons of perlite, 2 tablespoons of lime, 1/4 cup organic cottonseed meal, only for acidic loving plants. 1.5 cups of the fertilizer blend can be replaced with 1.5 cups of any granular organic fertilizer. Potting mix for succulents and cacti. 3 gallons of sphagnum peat moss, 1 gallon of perlite, 1 gallon of coarse sand, 2 tablespoons of lime. Potting mix for houseplant. 2 gallons of sphagnum peat moss, 1.5 gallons of perlite, 1.2 cups of coarse and sand, 3 tablespoons of lime, 2 tablespoons of fertilizer blend can be replaced with 2 tablespoons of any granular organic fertilizer. In container gardening is an excellent alternative for people living in the apartment or those with tiny spaces to spare. It's also great for people who do not prefer to dig their yards. That said, buying potting mixes every season can become incredibly pricey. It's why preparing your potting mix for container gardening is a fantastic option. I hope you like my video. Please give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.